Have you ever seen those stunning wooden tables with a crystal-clear river flowing right through the middle, and thought to yourself, how is that even made? That smooth glass-like finish, that natural wood texture, that deep, flowing epoxy in the center. It looks expensive. It looks professional. It looks almost impossible to create. But here's the truth. With the right knowledge, the right process, and the right mindset, you can make it yourself. Welcome back to Hainin Resin and Craft. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make an epoxy river table from start to finish, step by step. Not just theory, real practical knowledge. We'll cover the correct epoxy formula, mixing ratios and calculations, a wood preparation, mold building, pouring techniques, a curing process, finishing like a professional, and the most common mistakes you must avoid. Whether you're a beginner or someone planning to start an epoxy business, this video can save you time, money, and expensive mistakes. And before we begin, if you love epoxy content like this, real knowledge, real techniques, real results, make sure you subscribe to Hainin Resin and Craft, because this channel is not about guesswork. It's about building real skill. And very soon, I'll be launching members-only videos where I'll go even deeper into advanced river table techniques, professional finishing secrets, real project breakdowns, pricing and business strategies. So if you want to take this seriously, consider becoming a channel member when it's available. And if this video helps you learn something valuable, you can support the channel with super thanks. I'm still waiting for my first one, and I'll definitely remember the first supporters who helped grow this channel. Let's get started. Part 1. What is an epoxy river table? An epoxy river table is created by combining two main elements, natural wood slabs, and epoxy resin poured in between them. The gap between the wood becomes the river. That's where the magic happens. The beauty comes from the contrast, the organic, natural texture of the wood, combined with the smooth, glossy, liquid-like epoxy. This combination creates a premium, luxury look. That's why epoxy river tables are used for dining tables, coffee tables, office desks, conference tables, luxury furniture pieces. It's not just furniture. It's a statement piece. Part 2. The formula, very important. Now we come to one of the most important parts. The formula. This is where most beginners make costly mistakes. Epoxy is chemistry. If the formula is wrong, everything goes wrong. Standard epoxy ratio. Most deep pour epoxy systems use 2:1 ratio, resin, hardener, or 3:1 ratio, depending on the brand. Always follow your specific product instructions. Never guess. Example calculation. Let's say you need 6 liters of epoxy. If your ratio is 2:1, 4 liters resin, 2 liters hardener, total equals 6 liters. Simple but very important. How to calculate volume. Use this formula. Length times width times thickness equals volume. Example, length equals 100 centimeters. Width equal 40 centimeters. River depth equals 3 centimeters. 100 times 40 times 3 is equal to 12,000 cubic centimeters. Equals 12 liters of epoxy. Always add 10% extra for safety. Running out of epoxy mid-pour is a disaster. Part 3. Preparing the wood. This step determines your final result. If your wood preparation is poor, your table will never look professional. Steps. Make sure the wood is completely dry. Remove bark and loose material. Sand the surface. Clean all dust. Now here's something many beginners ignore. Wood contains air. If you pour epoxy directly onto unsealed wood, that air escapes into the epoxy and creates bubbles. The solution. Seal coat. Apply a thin layer of epoxy first. Let it partially cure. This seals the wood pores and prevents bubbles later. Professionals never skip this step. Part 4. Building the mold. Now you need a mold to hold everything in place. Materials. Melamine board or plywood. Silicone sealant. Tape or release wax. Steps. Build a box around your design. Seal all edges carefully. Prevent any leakage. Place your wood slabs inside. Leave space in the middle for the river. Pro tip: secure the wood using hot glue or screws. Because once epoxy is poured, floating wood can ruin your entire project. Coloring the river. Now comes the creative part. You can customize your river using metallic pigments, transparent dyes, solid color pastes. Popular styles include ocean blue, deep black luxury, crystal clear glass effect, marble or swirl designs. Important tip: less pigment equals more depth and transparency. More pigment equals solid, bold color. Choose based on your design vision. Mixing epoxy correctly. This is where precision matters. Steps: measure accurately. Mix slowly for 3 to 5 minutes. Scrape sides and bottom. Mix evenly. Avoid fast mixing, creates bubbles. Wrong ratio causes soft or sticky epoxy. Take your time here. Good mixing equals successful project. Now we pour. This is the most exciting part, but also the most risky.
Deep pour roule.
Do not pour too thick unless your epoxy is designed for it. Typical safe range: 2 to 5 centimeters per layer. Steps: pour slowly. Allow epoxy to flow naturally. Use a heat gun or torch to remove bubbles. If needed, pour in multiple layers. Patience creates perfection. Now we wait. Epoxy needs time to fully cure. Typical curing times: touch dry, 24 to 48 hours. Full cure, 5 to 7 days. During this time, keep the area dust-free. Maintain stable temperature. Avoid moisture. Rushing this step can destroy your finish. After curing, it's time to transform it into a masterpiece. Steps: remove from mold. Trim edges. Sand from rough to fine grit. Polish or apply top coat. This is where your table becomes professional. Final top coat equals high gloss luxury finish. Avoid these mistakes. Wrong mixing ratio. Skipping seal coat. Pouring too thick. Using wet wood. Dust contamination. Every mistake here costs time and money. Let's talk opportunity. Epoxy river tables are high-value products. You can sell them for 2x to 5x your cost. Start small: coffee tables, side tables, then grow into dining tables, office desks, custom luxury pieces. This is not just a hobby, can become a real business. Final message: making an epoxy river table is not just a process. It's an art. It's a combination of skill, patience, creativity, and precision. With the right approach, you can create something truly premium. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with someone learning epoxy, and subscribe to Hanan Resin and Craft. We are building something powerful here, a real epoxy learning community. And don't forget, very soon, I'll be releasing exclusive members-only content for those who want to go deeper and learn at a professional level. If you want to support the channel and grow faster, become a member when it's available. And if this video gave you real value, you can support the channel with super thanks. I'm still waiting for my very first one, and I promise, I'll never forget the first people who support this journey. Be one of the early supporters. Be one of the unforgettable viewers. And let's grow together. I'll see you in the next video.